Hello, today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot an RCA microwave with no power. The symptoms are when you connect it, there's no display, no sound. But if you hit it on the side or the top, it'll go on for a second, the numbers will flash, but then it'll turn right off. I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot that. First thing you need to do is take the cover off your microwave using a Phillips screwdriver, and the back screws you need a special security hex screwdriver. I already took my cover off. Next thing you need to do, and this is very important, you must discharge the high voltage capacitor. That capacitor can hold up to 2,000 volts, and it can kill you. It's right here. This is a high voltage capacitor. You discharge it by you taking an insulated screwdriver and putting it across both terminals. This should discharge your high voltage capacitor. Never work with the power on. Always disconnect the power when troubleshooting a microwave. Next step, protect the fuses. The main fuse is located on the power supply right here. See that white thing? That's a fuse. That's the main fuse. You can click that right out and use your voltmeter to check it. Next to the high voltage capacitor is another fuse. Inside here is another fuse, which you could disconnect the leads and check that. And there's a third fuse on the top here called a thermal fuse. That's a thermal fuse. That's a thermal fuse. That's meant to blow if the temperature inside the microwave gets too hot. You can check that also. But like I said, when I snap my microwave, it comes on for a second. So that the fuse is probably not the problem. Next, you need to disconnect your control panel. There's a screw on the top right here. It takes it right off the back of the panel. The screw right in the top. Then you lift up and pull it out. Now see, in the middle here, you will see also the ribbon cable. You lift up the black plastic housing and gently pull out your ribbon cable. That's the ribbon cable for the display. Be careful with it. Next, see these three boxes right here, these three black boxes. Those are relays. That's the problem with this microwave. One of these relays are bad. You can test it with an ohm meter if you take them all out, or you can just order the relays, and replace all three. They don't cost a lot, and you can find them easily on eBay. These right here, relays. Relay 1, relay 2, and the one at the bottom is the main relay. The vertical rectangular one. That's the main relay. I'm going to replace all three relays and see if that solves the problem. Once again, if you know what you're doing, you can disconnect the high voltage transformer and troubleshoot it that way. Connect it and tap the relays and see if anything happens. Though I don't suggest that you do that. It can be very dangerous. To me, I just ordered all three relays and will replace all three. I'll get back to you when I replace the relays and let you know if that solved my problem. Okay, thank you.